All right, pay yabo bibia kwaba emfamra se obet network. Yes. Don't forget say obet subscribe na fe what ma share na ode amonya na fe unya enso etimi ahye dwumero pay yes am na doson. Yes, egunkra ta so kunche ede ne na ede eba be so mo as usual. Midin ede kojo confidence me so don't forget say oba subscribe na fe what ma share ede amonya na unya etmere enso etimi ahye eye dwuma de ne bi wo yenya tenase ya na anope Asante Kotoko nkomo ana de eno so eraba besomo onse ya catch om se na Asante Kotoko akwakopiem enso ewo South Africa ne nyina no aye Toyota car dwumadi a eno so eba so Kaiser Chief ana se Asante Kotoko ene omo ere akopem so na fe etimi aboa amane maide enso etimi akoso kama. And my catch said the state as Asante Kotoko ewomuno ombabo CAF Confederation Cup champions of champions almost sounds our game said monima ombetimabo amane maide etima koso Gaka top 4 ni nyina no ayade a Asante Kotoko club nanima yade ehon komo ade enso ade emamo. So this stage Kotoko edru no omonya sa akonya we akwakosi akan ade etia Kaiser Chief omo nyina no omo ekwa CAF dwumadi emu no I think say betima bona fetimo no etimi afa no tuma paye dey enso etimi efra then yenim say place boroma omo tim any opportunity asese no omo e feel how the state say bia okobo for big game like this the weather condition the way place no omo nya opportunity enfam no et because me no kasa anope enya easy me no kasa anope enya easy sorting command say weather no enya easy the weather self no bra sa deba ona team kwa e kwan kasa no enough for mo na even Jonas kra no even so be report or the man no pay no actually so weather no no enya easy then o move akọ Durban per report so say Durban no o weather no so dey anu odin so because me imagine how plus no kwa bere ebe they used to omo munya sa feeling ni be da no ebe tima dey enyas the used to sa weather no ben say dey a ese nkunum dey etimi ba what I say him say dey ese nkunum dey etimi ba na dey ne je eba kumase enu Asante Kotoko ehodu omo first training session. Yes, enu Kotoko ehodu omo first training session emani mo so timi koso ye obenya Kamara obenya abranche fene say Haruna Aziz Dari obenya eyechum omo nyina training Samba Onel Zakaria Fuseni Lord Amoa Joseph Amomo Hilawi Lord Adabo Hubejo Jimono Enchi Baba Yaya Every Cheba for Unya Johnson mo in terms of all the players obia training Albert Samuel Kwame Poku omo nyina training no ema de esu etime koso kama ene mame found to just say anatena win ACT team na nkasa de me no kasa report no be omo training na nkasa de enra no ya no mo be no ene omo in different place ene Kotoko training no omo in different place anya ba bia omo for school de no se bia ka oba Ghana ha ka ebia amas na ka Kotoko training sorting command say aha ke bia amas na ka Kotoko training but eno mo nya no amas but mo ko other place no omo Kotoko so dey enso dey free but I don't pay HOD so open network yes boss edinkra edi amaye and we drop program na nkasa dey amaye yentie send no pay so obet ewo edemaye edi free South Africa.
All right, yamo bibi akwaba and I don't pay Mfambra so obet network live from OR Tambo Airport here Johannesburg South Africa edi jinano and no bi o hwe video ni bi ahun se nyame adom yenya ba bi pada ama hoden aba so ati ase o mu se nana nso yen de but se na me di kan ka kire mo no ye ba na dwumaye eni je ne de be duru Ghana e be dey e be je ni ni a relax but se se de ba na dwumaye ti enye na bebre ayame adom ama ya hoden ya ye check in awie ti ejina ha ye twen a flight to Durban na se Durban ankasa na game ne be koso na enem ye ma hye me. But before me can you share na sem no, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all the exclusives. ɛnɛ so twɛn me wɔ ɔyɛpa 10 o'clock Ghana time mewura nsɛm no mu paa na ya break nneɛma bi down kɔtɔkɔ amanfoɔ ka Rwanda trip bi yɛde ho update ɛbɛbrɛ wo ɛwɔ ɔyɛpa ɛnɛ schedule no mede bɛma wo but exclusive videos no mede bɛhook you ɛwɔ ɔyɛpa Bosheba Electricals ɛna ɛde yɛbɛpie mu wɔ ha sei a kyerɛ sɛ baabi ɛbɛda ka ɛbɛfa amano ne sika ekuta yɛn a yɛasesa bi a ɛfa yɛn so nyinaa no yɛde bɛbrɛw later ɔno na ekuta yɛn mu but the ama me ma hye me nie ɛno a yɛbɛduru yɛ no ɛwɔ airport ha no na wo mfili weather no sɛ nea ayɛ hye tìmɛhyɛ sɛ wohwɛ ɔyɛpa abɔn sɛ me early video a mede baeɛ no na mehyɛ jacket bawura airport ha heaters wɔ ha sei kakra so you don't feel awɔ no a ɛwɔ kuro no na wosi abɔnten a na wo sɛ yes kuruma na nkasa yɛte so bohu obi no ahyɛ ne kyɛ mistake baako a meyɛ sɛ mamfa chamba me nua meti paa me ɛnyɛ easy enti wada na ne adwin sɛ ehunu a ɛne yɛ Johannesburg ha no ɛno a driver a yɛne ne nam yɛbisaa no ɔsɛ Durban deɛ kyɛn nti nka Ghana nka Durban a yɛte sɛ Cape Coast no ɔmo bɛn po na akyɛ sɛ awɔ ne wom nti Joburg no kra de nka yɛayɛ sɛ Kumasi awɔ ne yɛ yi kakra nti nka ɛmfa sɛ Bantama ne Mampɔn Mampɔn bepɔ no so no nso ɔmo awɔ na no ɔden ɛnɛ so cab driver yɛne ne nam yɛsɛ bisa no ɔsɛ ɛhɔ no deɛ nsuo ne tɔ na awɔ ne yɛ massive nti meyam hyehye me kakra ma Kotoko players no fi sɛ yɛn abobɔ jacket ne yɛde yɛ adwuma bɔ ɔmo no jacket bi anim ɔmo bɛhyehyɛ wei ne biara but ɛnɛ yɛ ɔmo day 4 ɛwɔ kurom ha wate aseɛ ɛnɛ yɛ ɔmo day 3 wɔ kurom ha na ɔmo day 2 ɔmo de bɛyɛ training nti yɛ hopi sɛ by day 4 na ɛno yɛ ɔkyena no ne bi anyame adom ɔmo ageti used to the weather ɛno a meka once but still it's a big issue a yɛde mu nkyiri mu no ɛde bɛbrɛ no akɔtɔkɔ yɛ training ɛwɔ ɛyɛ George Campbell Institute of Technology sɛ hɔ na ɔmo yɛ training ɛno na yɛ sɛ school bi park advanced school ɛmfa sɛ secondary school nice park now we talk about facilities at the right time because facilities ɛwɔ kurom ha no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ball no ebi yɛ ɛna ebi di agorɔ but more on that later when we get the right times nti ɛnɛ deɛ kɔtɔkɔ baby ɔmo yɛ training no a na ɛnyɛ hɔ na ɔmo yɛ training nɛ ɛna ɔmo bɛyɛ wɔ Princess Magogo ɛyɛ stadium ɛhɔ na ɔmo yɛ training ɛyɛ ɛnɛ Ghana time ɛyɛ bɛɛ 1 Ghana time na nhyehyɛeɛ no nie ɛna coach Karim Zito bɛtena ase yɛnim sɛ Prince Owusu bɛba o sɛ Prince Owusu mba o enti sɛ wote wei a no wɔn sɛ wɔ airport nti mbɛka sɛ wobɛt the background noise is interfering you have to get used to it ɛsɛ yɛyɛ adwuma no quick yɛdu Durban so a yɛde ɛho nsɛm no yɛde ɛbɛbrɛw enti ɛnɛ Zito bɛtena ase yɛnim sɛ Prince Owusu so bɛba a bɛrɛ no yɛde Prince Owusu kasae yɛde maa mo na ɔde player baako aka ho South African centrofoɔ and to be honest video a metwa yi meyi m'ataadeɛ sɛ nipa ɛhwɛ me na no ɔden because obi ahu sɛ krɔb yɛafo aduru ha wonya wura ha a ɛyɛ OR Tambo ɛwɔ Johannesburg don't forget their culture sɛ Kaizer Chiefs yɛ based ɛwɔ ha nti wonya wura ha wotimu sɛ nokorɛ ne yɛ baako pɛ they have a large fan base they are aware of the game they've promoted the game billboards ahodoɔ a wo nam abon sɛ kɔtɔkɔ baako kora sɛ samba ɛda so but time a yɛhu yɛ no na kyɛ sɛ yɛtwam nti yɛntimi antwa no quick but yɛhwɛ sɛ ebi ɛbɛba no saa places ni a check it because ɛno ani aso ayɛ hyepa nti no na yɛnka Kwame Poku ne abɛtam asɛm no nkyerɛ ne bɛba later nti ɔma promo game ne paa ama ayɛ akɔnɔ nti awareness no wɔ ha yɛka stadium how atmosphere ne bɛyɛ nti yɛbɛbisa international press ɛne South Africa 4 plus Ghana for bɛhyia Zito na yɛyɛ interview 15 minutes to the end of Asante Kotoko training ombe open to the media. It's unfortunate no more my and for free Ghana and your chance here any players needing come but the end any injury tieneni yesu be nya akwanya na yakwakofa Kotoko training no any emunsem ede abramo nti yeguso a yekeka ne oma bomu a na ye hwese ne ne oma so ebekọ ho oh nti questions ne beba oh question bi apeso biza Zito na apeso biza any of the player beba fashion comment section ase send your baby Salmon. Now the video ne ba how make us na because we have an opportunity to ask about 2 questions depending on how Now the media officer of Kotoko be allow for us to do the interview. Yeah, Kaiser Chiefs for no so no be engage the press. Almost training no so you open. I think Kaiser the first 15 minutes on, and I Kotoko the moment na last 15 minutes. Inti and yes, you do Princess Magogo ho any be land there. The Jumani Bibre we spend most of the time there. Then in the evening we move to a Kotoko hotel na yakwakofa a honson semina ba no chena yetimi ada na match na nkasa etimi aba so nti ene enumre yebetimi the possible lineup na bro. The last time Kotoko ball friend was against Benap. On say no Benjamin Chumene die. But me say match we Chumene beda. No, yebetimi Kamara. But backline there Lord and obo Joseph Amwa. That day na mu ehunu so against Benap. Nti wuntimi ngyina so nka sɛ Amwa bɛsa abɔ. What you say? Nti ene Samba Zakaria Fuseni ni de onze ya Adabo Jewu Emmanuel Entwi Albert Tamwa Kwame Poku and a Johnson. But don't forget say Peter Akwa ebai. Nti as say Peter Bebo looking at the last game against a year hard to folk. The kind of performance we put you up, no. The name's a coach in the veteran bench or not. So there is more. There is more. But kakra no pay. Yeah, the airbrem one year. But whether no any attendance, no. I'm looking at attendance, how we can learn something from it. We just see we are see bisa Kaiser for no. Why am I so promote too much? Because almost everybody who share nipa be 10 emu be 7 or more per ball no, and I share nipa be 10 or more per ball. Emu be 7 are aware of the game. Sanity. Send an American, I was talking about the match promo. Anyone send someone. Now, Iriam Central for Nababedru. Now, a group of Ghanaians are a Durban. And you have a tre Abuabu and their plan is very simple. Our plan is very simple. Say, Omo Geda and Nombe meeting. And Oma Kushia Asante Kotoko players, no. Na Ombe PMO Stadium ho. Yedi kind of pictures ni bi aba pen ya confidence fato so. Ombe PMO Stadium ho. With gambit me nya be 100 bi. Almo so ba be support to Asante Kotoko. Ewo ochana game no na bibia etimi akoye nti. Then a busy day from training to press conference to personal interviews, life experience here. Tet and kamo kakra ne eye Kaiser for nyina abedi. Nti ye ko Durban. Ti momfa we en hold mo down kakra. Ye do Durban kromu ho a. E ho na fever no. Ano odin, ho na atmosphere no. Ano odin for the big game. Ebeba. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The stories na kano confidence Eddie who accumulator on this very channel. Bye bye.
All right, where I am Sema and I pay the HOD. Yes, Sir Obed a champon, and so it's made about where I'm a reporter to see from a year OR Tambo Airport. OR Tambo Airport. And I pay Sir Obed at a report, and so it's made of itinerary. The woman, Wamayahu, and somebody in South Africa. Ekoso honum the weather conditions for no call kind so what's ya na o church mu say in fact enye easy if you move airport okra no ana my day as a hit kakra de etima bo mafa etima bo amane my day enso etima koso ye enti e bon pa say ne be edem edema club no e dey a e be drop line up no e dey aba because na Friday Saturday and game na enso e ba so e yem se Kotoko last Friday game bombo e tia Benab o ta say and some key players don't performance on your entity answer ni. And him say there changes be ebe to fam. And him say there changes be answer ebe to fam. But South Africa, Kaizer Chiefs supporters no. Almost what me din komo. Mono they are ready for this game no. A chance Ghana for create a game no. And especially Kotoko fans. They are Kaizer Chiefs am I ready for this game no. A chair let Ghana and a vehicle say Kotoko supporters no. But and come akoso with the Kaizer Chiefs supporters we say obet. Yentim koma and also akoso our summer Kaizer Chiefs supporters almost at the Etuja and so.
So we are here at the Oral Tambo Airport here in Johannesburg, and we've been sandwiched by two Kaizer Chiefs fans. It's all about the Toyota Cup game on Saturday between Kaizer Chiefs, the Amakosi, against Asante Kotoko, the Fabulous or the Porcupine Warriors. And I have two Kaiser Chiefs fans here. I have your name. Tell me your name. Tuso.
Yeah.
And then you. Okay, so when we say Amakosi, what's the response?
Amakosi means the chief. You are the chief.
You are a
in the
chief.
PI, in the South African League.
So when you are chanting behind your team, what do you say? Amakosi.
Amakosi, yeah, peace. The love and peace.
The loving.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
So how are you anticipating this game?
Like in Africa, Kaizer Chiefs is a big team.
Okay.
We are going to beat Asante Kotoko.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you root with your brother?
Yes.
Are you rooting with him?
Yeah, we are coming to beat them.
You are coming to beat Asante Kotoko.
Yes, of course.
Tell us your expectations about Kaizer Chiefs this season.
Kaizer Chiefs is a big team in Africa as a whole.
Mm-hmm.
Let me say that.
But you've not won the league in like 10 years.
We've been struggling so far, but I think this season is going to be our season.
So you will start with Asante Kotoko.
Yeah. Definitely on Saturday, we're going to take this cup from them.
So what are you excited about the upcoming season regarding Kaizer Chiefs? New players, coaches, what are you excited about?
New players, we are going to see new players. Yeah.
And
Yes.
which particular player will you be looking forward to seeing on Saturday?
From Saturday, I'm looking for a striker. This is a new striker. This one, Flavio. Flavio.
You expect him to score?
Yeah, I'm expecting him to score, and also Lilepo.
Lilepo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you?
Yeah, you see my best player there is Lulepo.
Lilepo.
Yeah.
So you're also rooting for him to get the
It's
goal.
our big striker.
He's your big star.
Yeah.
Also, Asante Kotoko is also coming with Kwame Poku. He's a former player of Kotoko. He went to Algeria. He's back. And then he was part of a team that won the FA Cup.
It's a top striker for Asante Kotoko.
Top striker. He even plays for the Black Stars.
If
of
he's a
Ghana.
top striker, we are going to take him. Kaizer Chiefs.
Really?
Yeah. I'm going to take him, not sign him.
So
We
you,
take him, then we sign him.
all right. So we are here in South Africa.
Yeah.
It is beautiful.
Yeah,
The
thank
airport, the people, you are very friendly. Ghana and South Africa, we are actually brothers.
Yeah, we are brothers.
2010, Bagana.
Uh-huh.
Definitely.
Thank you.
So thank you very much for the hospitality. And we look forward to engaging you more. Bye.
Africa one.
Africa. My brother. Thank you very much.
Alright, see, away and some Kaizer Chiefs supporters. Almost so at me at the Atija and Anopaya. Yade a home common at the day, and so at the Emam Ewo Jumanda Sinanima at me Akoso Air Kama. Makacho was a big game and air to fem, and as I said, a quan be asono, or ye winning famra, Nenija Emre Kumasi, send a baby to my cabby be cried at African Santa Kotoko Besina Kono. Mora, if we are supporter, Benya GDM said, and I'm about and so better Makoye. Because everybody take Kaizer Chief. That's why you play. That's one team. You know, one team. More. Me, I don't think say Africa will bet mabo. Because club ya only a boy or sa competition mu. Kaizer Chief ya only a boy chenai or sa competition mu. Enti ade bia wo umu bia as a player no. Ese we edipie. Oye new player wa join here. Ese o team e de enso edipie. Am you sampa also are ready for this game. Enya mwa sebia Kotoko eko luzia yo some certain supporters won make come like almost make come bu so asem ya chere players no so what I say e dey make come bu so asem e da chere players no entu ye player na usia ka etina on opportunity e right line up ni ma make sure say ode wo energy no e be ya adwuma die nta Asante Kotoko be sign won no sabra be ya adwuma ode be ya adwuma da ma club no Even go diagro, we ebetima bie kwa bebre e di amount. We a player, we ebetima bie kwa bebre de enso time di amount. Yes I no pay me fire obia, no kra na mekam. This e bia on pen no kre. No kra na ana mekam. This e bia unipa on pen no kre. Be say no kre e ka asema na game against because stadium so be ebeboma. And we have some scouts almost be around. E bia we player unim. So what I say? Ebia all player no unim. That day be scout on be around. Ah when you be the game ni bi. Ti mesre. me start ne mesre se china yem se beda ne de be kose because ebinum enya used to sane ma no ebinum first time me ko me so ebinum de tu kwan no se besre mo hwe na fe mu ni nkunim emoa ema nyama na enso ntimi nkoso ye mfama ye because mo ye ne sa menya so se ye benya supporters ya ebien se ma sisi atwitwa mu nyam koso omo kofa de enso ntimi di aba menya sure me confidence menya sure enti pay eno de ho kakra de mamo no akire din ye nyenka ti musem bia ti so ben the report aba pay am you say na wositie fans and Kaizer Chief amoso nsem am eka ahead of the game no ana ni nyen so de yenso yetimati bi no enti yan fancy na fe hwema ne manya enko so awia ye de more enso be Kotoko stories exclusive bebre ewa efa transfers no ma culture strikers no ongusu etro with the youth team enya san ketwa Kotoko strikers no those mune Prince mune say do Abubakar mo gusu mo ni team na training ewo eja ene ano ewie betena say the details eba na afimo mo say nkomo no enso esiti ewo jumonto say be share be so don't forget to subscribe TikTok hoso sabe ka na Facebook ewon so bi ono ma enya sam ketwa me so don't forget to subscribe.